Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 26, 1805. Napoleon crowned King of Italy. On this day in 1805, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself King of Italy in Milan Cathedral, already Emperor of France. He expanded his rule by taking the Italian crown. The ceremony symbolized his growing power in Europe. Napoleon's reign brought significant reforms but also led to widespread wars. His actions reshaped the continent's political landscape. The coronation highlighted his ambition and influence. 1864 the Montana Territory established. On May 26, 1864, President Abraham Lincoln signed a law creating the Montana Territory. This move was part of America's westward expansion during the 19th century. The territory attracted settlers with promises of land and resources. It played a role in the nation's growth and development. Montana would later become the 41st U.S. state in 1889. The establishment marked a step in shaping the American West. 1908. Oil discovered in the Middle East. On May 26, 1908, a significant oil discovery was made in Masjed Soliman, Persia now Iran. This was the first major oil strike in the Middle East. The find attracted international interest and investment. It led to the formation of the Anglo-Persian Oil Company, a precursor to BP. The discovery transformed the region's economic and political landscape. It marked the beginning of the Middle East's central role in global energy. 1940. Dunkirk evacuation begins. On this day in 1940, Operation Dynamo commenced, aiming to evacuate Allied troops from Dunkirk, France. Surrounded by German forces, over 338,000 soldiers were rescued over 9 days. The operation involved a fleet of military and civilian vessels. Despite being a retreat, it was seen as a miraculous escape. The event boosted British morale during World War II. Dunkirk became a symbol of resilience and unity. 1954, USS Bennington explosion. On May 26, 1954, a catastrophic explosion occurred aboard the USS Bennington, an American aircraft carrier. The blast, caused by a hydraulic catapult system failure, killed 103 sailors and injured many others. The tragedy led to significant changes in naval safety protocols. It highlighted the dangers faced by service members even outside combat. The incident remains one of the worst peacetime accidents in U.S. Navy history. It underscored the importance of rigorous safety standards. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.